Everybody, this is Engineer Thermodynamics, class 2. Today I will define what is a pressure. What is a pressure? Suppose we consider a very small area dA, then a force, normal force Fn acting on the body, dFn acting on the body, then the pressure dP is equal to, the pressure P is equal to dFn at dA, limit dA tends to 0. So, the pressure is the normal force exerted by a system against a unit area of the boundary surface. Clear? Is given by P is equal to limit of dFn by dA, where dFn is equal to component of the force normal to the area dA. Clear? For small area dA, the force is dFn. If Fn is the total force over the total area A, then pressure P is equal to Fn by A. Clear? Normal force for unit area of cross section per unit Newton per meter square. Clear? What is unit of pressure? Unit of pressure P is equal to Newton per meter square or Pascal. So 1 Newton per meter square is equal to So 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal, 1 PA. 1 kilonewton per meter square is equal to 1000 Newton per meter, 1000 Newton per meter square. This is 1 kilopascal. 1 bar is equal to 10 to 5 Newton per meter square. Is equal to 10 to 2 into 10 to 3 Newton per meter square. Clear? This is equal to 10 to 2 kilopascal. That is 100 kilopascal. So 1 bar is equal to 100 kilopascal or 10 to 5 Newton per meter square. Clear? What is 1 megapascal? 1 megapascal, 26 Newton per meter square. Is equal to 10 to 3 into 10 to 3 Newton per meter square. This is kilopascal. So 1 megapascal is equal to 10 to 3 kilopascal. Clear? This is unit of pressure. Now, what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure. P atmospheric. This is atmospheric pressure. This is pressure exerted by the envelope of the surrounding of the Earth's surface. Clear? The standard atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure which exerted by a column of 760 mm of Hg. This means one atmosphere pressure is equal to 760 mm of Hg. Clear? 1 mm of Hg is equal to 133.33 Newton per meter square. Clear? So 1 atmosphere pressure is equal to 760 into 133.33 Newton per meter square. This is equal to 101.325 Newton per meter square. This is equal to 101.325 kilopascal. This is equal to 1.01325 bar. Clear? So this is 1 atmospheric pressure. Clear? Next, gauge pressure. This is atmospheric pressure. Next, gauge pressure. Gauge pressure. P gauge. This is positive pressure. P gauge. This is positive pressure which is exerted above the atmospheric pressure line. It is the pressure exerted above the atmospheric pressure line. Atmospheric pressure line. Clear? It is a positive pressure. It is a positive pressure. Next, vacuum pressure. P vacuum. Clear? This is negative pressure which exerted below the atmospheric pressure line. It is the pressure. It is the pressure exerted by exerted below the atmospheric pressure line. Clear? It is negative pressure. It is negative pressure. Clear? So above atmospheric pressure line, gauge pressure. Below the atmospheric pressure line is called a vacuum pressure. This is positive pressure. This is a negative pressure. Now, I will show you in a diagram what is gauge pressure, what is absolute pressure, what is vacuum pressure, and what is atmospheric pressure. Clear? Suppose this is absolute zero pressure line. Zero pressure line. Zero pressure. Clear? So this line is atmospheric pressure line. This is atmospheric pressure line. Clear? Now, this means this is P atmospheric. This is P atmospheric. Clear? Suppose I will take point here, a point. So the pressure between this line is called P gauge. Clear? So this is P absolute. P absolute. P absolute. That is P atmospheric plus P gauge. Clear? This pressure is P atmosphere plus P gauge. This is P absolute at A. Similarly, suppose this point B. This point is B and this is vacuum pressure. This is P vacuum. Clear? So this is PB. P absolute B. P absolute. P absolute at B. What is P absolute? This means this is P atmospheric. This is P atmospheric minus P vacuum. Clear? Again, I will try to understand you. Make clear. This is absolute zero pressure line. This is atmospheric pressure line. 760 mm Hg. Now, the pressure is gauge pressure, which is above the atmospheric pressure line. This is vacuum pressure, which is below the atmospheric pressure line. For above atmospheric pressure line A, at point A, the total absolute pressure P absolute is equal to P atmospheric plus P gauge. Clear? At B, the total absolute pressure P absolute is equal to P atmospheric minus P vacuum. Clear? Now, density. What density? Rho. Symbol is rho. The density is defined as the mass per unit volume. It is defined as the mass per unit volume. That is, what is rho is equal to? M by V. What is M? Mass. Kg per meter cube. Where M is equal to mass in kg. What is V is equal to? Volume in meter cube. Clear? For water, per raw water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Next, specific weight, specific volume. specific volume Vs. It is defined as the volume of the fluid per mass, or the volume per unit mass. That is, Bs is equal to B by M. Clear? What is B? Meter cube per mass kg. Now we know what is rho is equal to density. M by B. Clear? 1 by B by M, 1 by Bs. So what rho is equal to? 1 by Bs. Hence the density is also defined as the reciprocal of its specific volume. Clear? Hence the density is also defined as the reciprocal of its specific volume. Clear? Next, specific weight. Small dole. It is defined as the weight or unit volume. That is, small dole is equal to dole by B. Stress weight. What is unit? Newton per meter cube. Where W is equal to weight of fluid. In thermodynamics, fluid means gas, and fluid mechanics, fluid means water. Clear? In thermodynamics, fluid means gas, but fluid mechanics, fluid means water. So weight of the fluid in Newton. B is equal to volume of fluid. What is unit? Meter cube. Clear? Again, what small dole stress weight is equal to dole by V. The weight W is equal to weight m into g, mass into specific gravity by volume. This is m by b into g. Clear? What is this? Rho. So W is equal to rho into g. Newton per meter cube. Clear? For water, double water is equal to rho water into g. What double water associated with water is equal to? What is rho water? 1000 into 9.81. Clear? So what double water is equal to? 9810 Newton per meter cube. Clear? Again, W is equal to m into g. Your weight W, mass m, acceleration due to gravity g. But what is m is equal to? Mass in kg. What is g is equal to? Acceleration due to gravity. Due to gravity. What is unit? Meter per second square. Clear? Now, m is always same, but g varies for different places. Hence, weight also varies at different places. But the mass of this body remains constant. If for same mass m, let g1 and g2 is equal to acceleration due to gravity at two places or different places. Different places. Then what double R is equal to? What double R? M into G1. What double 2? M into G2. Clear? So what is double 1 by double 2? M into G1 by M into G2. Clear? So double 1 by double 2 is equal to G1 by G2. So value of G different places. So weight value is also different, but mass remains constant. This is mass. Next, specific gravity. Seismic gravity. Seismic gravity. S. Small s. The seismic gravity of a substance is defined as the ratio of the specific weight of water Session of substance. Session of substance to the session weight of water. Clear? So what is S substance is equal to? Therefore, S substance is equal to session weight of substance by session weight of water. Clear? The session weight of substance defined as the ratio of session weight of substance to the session weight of water. Clear? What W? Rho into G. What this is equal to? Rho substance into G by rho water into G. Clear? G cancel. So what is this? Rho substance by rho water. Clear? So what is S substance is equal to? S substance is equal to rho substance by rho water. Clear? Hence, the session substance is also defined as the ratio of density of the substance to the density of the water. Clear? Hence, the specific weight, see gravity, not weight. The specific gravity of a substance is defined as the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of water. Clear? This is W specified substance by specified water. Also this is equal to density of substance by density of water. Clear? Now what is value of S? For water, S water is equal to 1. For mercury, SHG is equal to 13.6. Clear? Similarly, what is rho Hg? Put here for mercury. Similarly, for mercury, what is SH rho Hg is equal to? Or SHG is equal to? Rho Hg by rho water. So 13.6 is equal to rho Hg by 1000. Clear? Kg per meter cube. So what is SHG is equal to? What is rho Hg is equal to? 13.6 into 1000. Clear? 13600 kg per meter cube. Similarly, for kerosene, for any oil, you put here the value of S, here the value of water. What is this? The value is 1000 kg per meter cube. What this value? 9810 Newton per meter cube. Clear? For any liquid, you can find out double substance or WHG or OHG, you can find out. Clear? Next, we will do some problems. Problem number 1. First problem, thermodynamics. First problem. Number 1. A spherical vessel of radius 0.6 meter contains a fluid having density 800 kg per meter cube. Find what the mass of fluid in the vessel and the Sassi volume of the fluid. Clear? This is a spherical vessel. Given spherical vessel. Clear? What is the radius? 0.6 meter. What density of the fluid? 800 kg per meter cube. Now, first find out the volume of the spherical vessel. Volume. What V is equal to? 4 by 3 pi r cube. What V is equal to? 4 by 3 pi into 0.6 cube. Clear? So V is equal to 0.904 meter cube. You find answer. Use calculator, find answer. This is maybe 0.904 kg per meter cube. Density rho. Now, what is the mass? Number 1, M is equal to mass of the fluid. Mass of the fluid. What is mass? Rho is equal to M by V. Clear? What is M is equal to? Rho into V. What is rho? 800 kg per meter cube. What is volume? 0.904 meter cube. Clear? Meter to meter cancel. So what is M is equal to 800 into 0.904 kg M. Clear? Use calculator and find answer. This may be 723.2 kg. Mass of the fluid. Then number 2, specific volume. Vs. What is Vs? Volume by mass. What is volume? 0.904 meter cube. Mass 723.2 kg. Clear? This may be Vs is equal to 0.00125 meter cube per kg. You use calculator to get the answer. Clear? This may be change 0.00125 meter per kg. Next question, number 2. This is question number 2. The question is a cylindrical vessel 50 cm diameter, okay, and 100 cm height. 100 cm height contains 3 kg of gas. A U2 mercury manometer indicates the pressure in the vessel is 60 mm Hg above the atmospheric pressure line. And gauge pressure. This is gauge pressure. Determine the absolute pressure of gas in the vessel, the Sassi volume of the gas, the mass density of the gas. Take the barometer reading as 760 mm Hg. This is P atmospheric. Clear? The question is Suppose this is a cylindrical vessel. Clear? The diameter D, this height H. Height H. Given P gauge pressure 60 mm of Hg. Clear? 60 cm of Hg, not mm. cm of Hg. This is 600 mm of Hg. Clear? This is P gauge. P atmosphere 760. P atmospheric 760 mm of Hg. Diameter, or diameter D, height H, or diameter 50 cm. Clear? What's height H? Diameter D, height H. Diameter is equal to 50 cm of height, 50 cm, and height is equal to 100 cm. Clear? This is, we will find out volume. What is volume V? What is volume of cylinder? Pi A4 D square L. Clear? This is pi A4 D square H. This is equal to V is equal to pi A4 into 50 cm, 0.5 meter. 100 cm, 1 meter. Clear? D square, 0.5 square into 1. So V may be 0.1963 meter cube. This is volume of cylindrical vessel. Now we will find out what is absolute pressure. Number 1. Absolute pressure. Absolute pressure. What is P absolute? What is P absolute? P absolute is equal to P atmospheric plus P gauge. What is P atmospheric? 760 plus 600. Clear? mm of Hg. This is equal to P atmospheric is equal to P absolute is equal to 1360 mm of Hg is equal to 1360 into 130.33 Newton per meter square. Clear? Is equal to 1360 into 130.33 by 1000 kilopascal. This answer. You use calculator and find the answer. Clear? Next, specific volume. Next, specific volume. Number 2, specific volume. Bs. What is Bs? Volume by mass. Clear? We have volume 0.1963 meter cube by mass kg. Put the value to get the answer Vs, meter cube per kg. Next, mass density. Number 3. Number 3, mass density. Rho. What is rho? Mass by volume or 1 by Vs. Clear? This is kg per meter cube. To find answer, put the value and use calculator and get the answer. Clear? This is problem 2 completed. This is answer. Next, problem 3. This is question number 3. The question is, an oil of specific gravity 0.8 is contained in a vessel tube to a depth of 160 cm. An oil of specific gravity 0.8 is contained in a tube to a depth of 160 cm. Determine the gauge pressure at this depth. Clear? Given specific gravity of oil, S oil 0.8. Clear? What raw water? What is raw water? 1000 kg per meter cube. Clear? What is height? H 160 cm, 1.6 meter. Now, first find out raw oil, then the pressure of the oil. What is S oil? What is S oil is equal to? Raw oil by raw water. Clear? So 0.8 is equal to raw oil by 1000 kg per meter cube. So what is raw oil is equal to? 800 kg per meter cube. Clear? Oil height L given. This is oil specific gravity given. This height of the oil 1.6 meter. What is the pressure? Rho GH. Now, gauge pressure. Gauge pressure. What is P gauge? Rho GH. Which rho? Rho oil. What is P gauge is equal to? Rho. What is rho? Rho oil. 800 kg per meter cube. G kg per meter cube. What is G? 9.81 meter per second square. Clear? What is H? 1.6 meter. This is gauge pressure P answer. Now, make calculation. It may be 12556. This is equal to 12556 kg per meter cube. Clear? This is what is the answer of pressure? Newton per meter square. What is this? 12.556 kilopascal. This answer. Clear? Next question, number 4. This is question number 4. The question is, convert the following reading of pressure into kilopascal when the barometer reads 760 mm of Hg. That is answer, solution. P atmospheric 760 mm of Hg. What is this value? 101.325 kilopascal. Clear? First, I will convert 90 cm gauge into this P absolute. Now, number 1, 90 cm of Hg gauge. This is equal to 900 mm of Hg. Clear? This is P gauge. This is equal to 900 into 130.33 by 1000 kilopascal. Clear? This is called P gauge. This is equal to P gauge. So what is P absolute? Now, P absolute is equal to P atmospheric plus P gauge. Clear? What is P atmospheric? 133.33 plus this. What is this? 900 into not P atmosphere 133, 101. 101.325 plus what is this? 900 into 130.33 by 1000. This is kilopascal. This is kilopascal. So the answer is also in kilopascal. Clear? Get the answer. This is kilopascal. Next, 40 cm Hg vacuum. Number 2. Number 2, P vacuum. What is P vacuum? 40 cm of Hg. This is equal to 400 mm of Hg. Clear? So this is equal to 400 into 130.33 by 1000 kilopascal. So what is P absolute? So P absolute is equal to P atmospheric minus P vacuum. Clear? What is P atmospheric? 101.325 minus this amount, 400 into 133.33 by 1000. Hello? Clear? This is answer, kilopascal. Next, number 3. Number 3, big 3. 1.2 meter of water gauge. Means this height of the water. So what is P gauge? What is Gauss pressure? W H. Clear? What W? W what 9810 Newton per meter square. Clear? Meter cube, not meter cube. Into height 1.2 meter by this meter square 1000 kilopascal. This is answer kilopascal. Kilopascal. Clear? This is meter cube. So meter cube cancel 1 meter, meter square. This answer is Newton per meter square by 1000. The final answer is kilopascal. So now, what is P absolute? Then P absolute is equal to P atmospheric plus P gas. Clear? What is P atmospheric? 101.325. What is P gas? This is P gas. 9810 1.2 by 1000. Both answer is kilopascal. The answer is in kilopascal. This is number 3 answer. Number 4 answer. Answer number 4. 3.2 bar. Bit 4. 3.2 bar. This is P absolute. This is P absolute. Clear? What is P absolute? This is P absolute is equal to 3.2 bar into 10 to 5 Newton per meter square. Clear? By 23. I'll answer kilopascal. These two cancel. 2. So what is P absolute? 320 kilopascal. This is answer. Now, today I have done 4 problems. Next class I will do theory and then make problems. Thank you.